Hey everyone, welcome back to our Fusion 360 series. Today we're diving into the Fusion 360 interface, and I know it might look a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Let's get started. When you first open Fusion 360, you'll land on the Start screen. It's a great place to see your recent files and start new projects. If for whatever reason you don't see it, you can click up here in the top left that says Show Data Panel. And this right here is the data panel. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet where all your projects and designs live. In here, we can see there usually starts with a default project, an admin project. If you want to create something new, you can click this button right up here. I'm actually going to do just that. I'm going to click New Project, and I'm going to name this Fusion EDU. We can see now I have a new project. I can open it up, and I'm now able to save designs into this project. Now let's talk workspaces. Fusion 360 has several. We can see them here: design, render, animation, simulation, manufacture, drawing. Each of these is tailored for a different suite of tasks, and they each have different tools in the toolbar, which is right up here. These are all your go-to tools that you'll need for each task. And this is the browser, where you'll manage different parts of your design. Moving on to the canvas area, check out this nifty little cube. It can move us all around in 3D space. There's a few different ways that we can do that. First, I can just click and drag the cube with a left click up top here. Down here on our navigation bar are the zoom, pan, and orbit tools to help you navigate around your model. I'm going to collapse our data panel just for the sake of clearing up some screen real estate. Now notice every single time that I get a new Fusion tool, my cursor changes. If I ever want to get out of that tool and I can't figure out how, all I have to do is press the escape key and my cursor reverts to normal. Now we can see above our toolbar, we have several different types of operations: solid operation, surface operation, mesh, sheet metal, plastic, and several utilities. We're going to be starting mainly in the solid section, but we will explore the others over time. Up here is the application menu for all your saving and exporting needs. One important thing to note is that Fusion is cloud-based, so all of your files will save to your Autodesk account and will follow you anywhere you sign in. If you want to export to a local machine, you can do that through here. Otherwise, if you want to personalize your Fusion 360 experience, you can head over to the Preferences tab, which is right here. And if you ever get stuck, don't forget about the Help menu. It's full of helpful information, tutorials, and resources. And that's a wrap on our Fusion 360 interface. Not so scary, it's not that bad. Play around with it, get comfortable, and I'll see you in the next video where we start sketching. Happy modeling.